How to use Google Translate in any app on Android. Google Translate works from any app inside on your Android phone. You just have to tap, and you'll be able to translate any text while on the go. You either have to open the Google Translate app or copy-paste something into its web translator box. Used well. This Google Translate feature. Language is such a cultural totem that its translation doesn't cover all the corners. When we talk of machine translation, the name without surprises that comes to mind is of Google Translate. Perhaps most of you don't have to switch over to the Google Translate app and copy-paste text to decipher the foreign language. Tap to Translate lives inside any app and works like a shortcut or an extension. But you will need to enable it first. Select Tap to Translate. On the next screen, toggle or tick the option that says Enable Tap to Translate. Open any app, for example, WhatsApp. Highlight the text you want the translation for and then copy it. As you can see, the translated version of the message text is displayed with the help of Google Translate. Most of us find a use for the translation services while traveling. Google's technology is getting better every day. Now, translate whole sentences and phrases in context. Looking for alternatives to Google Translate for your phone? You'll find the best ones in our roundup of mobile translation apps to convert any language. These excellent mobile translator apps will help you study a foreign language, have conversations in another country, and more. Text source, makeuseof.com